In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make jump scare in Roblox Studio. So there are tons of ways on how to make jump scare in Roblox Studio. First, you have to go to this cutscene system and then get this one. And as you can see, when you successfully purchase this one, then you can now open your Roblox Studio. And then here, all you have to do is to simply go to your properties, go to toolbox, and then drag that cutscene that you have installed earlier. Click OK. So all you have to do is to simply adjust this one. This serves as the trigger. Once someone jump into this, it will take them directly to another world or another place where they can see something very scary like this one. Okay, so I just put it inside so the character will see this later. First, let me add an avatar. Okay, this one. Now, we have here a camera, and all you have to do is simply place it somewhere like it should be in front of that image, a scary image. Okay, so let me adjust this camera. It should be this position. Okay, so the character should be in front of the camera. Okay, it should face the image that is scary. Okay, and then what you're going to do here is to simply make it invisible. So to do that, of course, you have to go to transparency and make this one invisible. Okay, so let me adjust this one first. Okay, the position should be like this. And then, okay, so you can follow what I'm going to do here. Okay, and then after that, you can now simply increase transparency so that no one can see this one. Or it will appear that it doesn't exist everywhere. I mean, in every corner and everywhere. Okay, so let us try. Now, what we're going to do is to also make it appear like invisible. So if the character will jump on this, okay, it will take him directly to the scary place. So this is my avatar, and what I'm going to do is to simply go to this house. So let's just say I jump on that invisible thing. So it take me directly to this area. So let me try. There it is. So that's how simple it is. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.